beautiful people! Welcome to Pretty Pure, your new skincare and beauty bestie. If you're tired of using random products, unsure about your routine, or just want real and effective beauty tips, you've come to the right place. Here at Pretty Pure, we believe beauty should be simple, natural, and pure. You'll find skincare tips that actually work, easy DIY remedies, honest product reviews, and routines designed for real skin just like yours. This channel is all about helping you feel confident, take care of your skin, and glow in your own unique way. Whether you have oily skin, dry skin, acne, or just want that healthy glow, I've got something for you. We're not chasing perfection here, we're learning to love and care for our skin, naturally and gently. No fake promises, no complicated steps, just the truth, the glow, and the confidence you deserve. So if you're ready to start your skincare journey with me, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a glow up. Join the Pretty Pure family today because your skin deserves love and you deserve to feel beautiful. Stay pretty, stay pure. See you in the next video.